Yes, June 2019, paper 11. And this question I want to explain again. The table shows the demand schedule for a good at different prices. The prices are given, for example, 8, 10, 12, and 14, and the quantity demanded is also given. The question says that the current market price for the good is $10. So we are at $10, and what is the demand at that particular point? 160. Now, following a 20% increase in price, so the prices are increasing by 20%. So what was the price? 10, and now there is a 20% increase in the price. So 20% of 10 is $2. So 10 plus 2 equals to 12. So we got now the market price as $12. And if there is a market price of $12, the demand will be decreased to 120 from which point? 160. So 160, now it will become 120. So the demand is decreasing by 40 units. Where is this option given? Option B, minus 40. Minus means a decrease, and 40 units decrease is there in the demand. So this question, I thought that I explain it again one more time. And now looking at question number 16, our government increases the rate of income tax in order to pay for extra transfer payments, including cash benefits to the poor. And what must occur as a result of this? Transfer payments, taking taxes, money from the richer and giving to the people in need in the economy. That is a transfer payment. So it means that through transfer payments, you will have more comparatively uh, more equality of incomes. But what must occur as a result of this? It ensures the equality of incomes. Is still, the answer is no. We are not sure that it will create an equality in incomes. But one thing is for sure, it changes the distribution of income. It means that more money is taken from the richer and given to the people in need. So we pick A as our answer. Another reason can be we have picked uh, A as an answer and not B. Maybe there are too many poor people and there is a lot of needy people in the economy. So even if there are some extra transfer payments, they may not be sufficient enough to fulfill their requirement, and the equality of income is not ensured. Okay, but one thing is for sure, that the distribution of income will change comparatively. uh, some higher proportion of income is transferred from the richer to the poor in need. Now let's go to question number 17. The standard rate for value added tax, sales tax, is an indirect tax. It is 20% in a country. So different consumers buying the same product have to pay the same amount. It means that the rich are also paying the same tax, poor are also paying the same tax, but a higher proportion of income is taken from the poors. So they will be, considered themselves uh, unlucky, or there is unfair distribution of this tax. So it means that it is regressive in nature. So 17D is the correct answer.